A pleasant morning, my dear children. In this video, I will be explaining you about a circular we received from the CBSE portal. So watch this video fully. I will be giving you an assignment based on this video. As I said, we received a CBSE circular named Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. That means unity in diversity. We are going to do an art integrated project. I will be explaining you clearly how to do the project in this video. So the main aim of doing this project is to establish the long-term engagement and to create an environment which promotes learning between states by sharing our best practices and experiences. So through this, the CBSE board makes us to share the best in our state, and it also makes us to learn about the other states' culture. The CBSE has paired the states and union territories for this project. So we are paired with Jammu and Kashmir. The main title for grade 2 is Arts and Culture. So we are going to compare the arts and culture of Tamil Nadu and Jammu and Kashmir in this project. So you may compare the dance in Tamil Nadu. For example, Bharatanatyam or Bommalatam, Poikal Kudurai. These are all famous dances in Tamil Nadu. Likewise, we can search for the dances in Kashmir. Then what type of music? We hear Carnatic music or classical music, but they hear different type of music. Likewise, the jewelry we wear and what type of jewelry they wear, the dressings. Then architecture means the temples in Tamil Nadu. Likewise, the temples or any traditional places in Kashmir. Likewise, the sculptures means in Tamil they'll be telling Sirpakalai. So likewise, you can compare what is famous in Tamil Nadu and Kashmir. Likewise, handcrafts, handmade baskets or any other toys in Tamil Nadu, like Talayati Bommai. But what is famous in Kashmir, like blankets, bed sheets, these are all famous in pottery ware, these are all famous in Kashmir. And painting. So these are the things we can compare between Tamil Nadu and Jammu and Kashmir. You can go for more subtitles also. I just gave some examples. So how to do the project? You have to paste the pictures or printouts. So if you search in the net, you will be getting some pictures. You can take the printouts related to the given content, related to the arts and cultures, with the subtitles, like what I said, the jewelry, the dance, and likewise with many subtitles. As far as you can make many subtitles in A4 sheets, not in one sheet. You can make many sheets. Okay, it should be like a record, it should be like a project. One side you have to paste the pictures of Tamil Nadu, and the other side you have to paste the pictures of Jammu and Kashmir. So after pasting the picture, below each and every picture, you have to write 1 or 2 sentences about the picture, and this should be like a comparative report. What is there in Tamil Nadu, what is there in Kashmir, like that. You have to compare both. So the duration for this project is, I will be giving 10 days for you. Okay, so today is August 16. You have to submit this project on August 26. Okay, then you have to take the photographs of how you have made the project. That should be like a photograph. You can send the photographs in the group. The main project, the paperwork what you pasted, the main project should be submitted after the school reopen. This project is a compulsory project for all the students, and all your projects will be uploaded in the CBSE website. You may go through the links. I will be sending the links after this video. You can go through the links and collect the pictures or details about the arts and culture of Tamil Nadu and Jammu and Kashmir from the links. So this is the format of doing this project, children. The first page, the first A4 sheet, you have to write the project title in capital letters. Okay, that also in bold capital letters you have to write the project title and your details. Okay, you can paste your photo also. Your details, what is your name, which class are you studying, which school are you studying, like that your details should be in the first page, the project titles and your details. The second page, you have to attach the bona fide certificate. Bona fide certificate means which school are you studying, you have to confirm that. Okay, see, this is an example I am sending you. You can write in block letters as Jiva Public School, where the time kids know. So in that place you can write Jiva Public School, then bona fide certificate. This is to certify that master. If you are a boy, you can tick master. If you are a girl, you can tick baby. And you can write your name, then son of or daughter of, your father name. This is a bona fide student of Jiva Public School at Kalparapatti and studying in which class? Second standard C section, no? And the date of birth, you can note your date of birth here. So this is a model I am sending you. You can make the bona fide certificate yourself and you have to attach with the project. This is one more model. You can do like this also. So then you have to attach the self declaration. So this is a model of the self declaration form. This is for a college level. I searched, but you have to prepare like I hereby declare that the project work. What is the title? Art integration. That means arts and culture. So here in this place you can write arts and culture submitted to the teacher name. You can write the teacher name as a record, like that. So you can write the principal's name here and to which teacher guides you, who is your class teacher. So you can write your class teacher name and you can continue writing like this, 1 in 2 or 3 lines. You are telling about the title and who to whom you are submitting this project, to the principal. Then who guides you in this project? The class teacher. Okay, then of which grade, of second standard, which section you can mention. Then you can just in 2 or 3 lines you can mention like this. Okay, to this teacher, like that you can write your name at the bottom. So after self declaration you have to write abstract. How to write an abstract I am explaining here. For writing an abstract, you have to write the heading. First heading. What is our heading? Arts and culture. Okay, so the heading should be in capital letter. Okay, then after that you have to write art integration project. Like that you have to write in big letters. Okay, then your name, your class and section, your school name and which city, Kalparapatti, Salem, like that you can write. Then how to write the abstract means, first paragraph you have to give an introduction. Okay, in this project I will be explaining you about the art integration. I will be comparing this project compares the arts and culture in Tamil Nadu and Jammu and Kashmir, like that you can explain in 1 or 2 lines. Okay, but it should be in written form, you have to write. Okay, then the second paragraph 2 lines, what are all the things you compared. you can write the subtitles. You can compare, like I have compared the dance, I have compared the paintings, like that you can write the subtitles. Then third paragraph, um, you can write whether if there are any errors or any suggestions from the teacher or from the principal, it could be rectified by you, like that anything you can write. See, this is a sample project abstract. Okay, this is done by 11th standard student. You can just, you can with the help of your parents, you can go through this. So after the project abstract, you have to write the content. Content means what are the things you have done in this project. Okay, so with page number wise, you have to make many A4 sheet projects, no? So in which page what topic you have given, like that you have to write the content here. So the content will be the main project, and after the content you so after the content you will be doing the main project. For the first page, this is like an index page. You will be writing the page numbers and which page what topic you have done, that will be in the content. After that you have to do the main project. Okay, you have to paste the pictures or printouts for many pages, what are the things you are doing, many subtopics. So after the project you have to write the conclusion. So what you have explained in this project should be the conclusion. This may be in 2 or 3 lines. Okay, this is a model for higher class, it was given in the website. You can write in this project clearly explains about the comparative report of arts and culture in Tamil Nadu and Jammu and Kashmir, like that you can conclude in 2 or 3 lines. So in the last you have to attach with the reference. Reference means what are the links you searched. You have to write the links also. This is how you have to make the project. Dear children, if you have any doubts regarding this project, you can contact your class teacher at any time. Thank you, children.